But I had delayed speech until I was 8 years old, so I went to a speech therapist, went to many different schools, and had ADD, ADHD, dysgraphia, dyslexia. Even they thought maybe I was mildly autistic or on the spectrum at the time. And I really struggled in school, had many learning disabilities, had many things like that. And sports was kind of my godsend. It was a way, it was an outlet for me. So started playing sports at a young age. Eventually played college football, but during that time, I had many different back issues. Diagnosed with a grade 4 spondy, and so had many different issues growing up as well. Not only neurologically, but physically as well. And so now my back's better, but there you can still see there's a lot of different myofascial issues and things like that. And then neurologically, there's still some things there. So we'll see what kind of improvement and things like that. But I'm excited, and like I said, Dr. Sprinkle is amazing. He wasn't the only one. I went to every speech therapist and learning disability, and no one ever caught the tongue tie. And maybe that was some of the reason for the delayed speech as well, and ear infections and back issues. So if this would help someone else as well that is having delayed speech or back issues or things that can't necessarily explain, I got a lot of work done. Like I said, I went to many different therapists, many different body workers. They're all amazing and had an integral part, but maybe this was one of the key missing links to being able to recover faster and things like that. And I have had multiple concussions. I've had, as we know, over 6. I have a lot of CT type symptoms, and a lot of depression, anxiety. After college football, I couldn't drive hardly by myself more than 20 minutes without falling asleep at the wheel. So maybe some of the CT and some of it was exacerbated by the tongue tie and all the fascial issues and hip issues, and even how I take a hit. I was explained recently by a body worker, osteopathic worker, that my hips are not activated and a lot of things aren't activated, so my head took a lot of the trauma. So maybe that this would have been a key piece to that as well. So we'll see all the great things that's going to happen. And we work on brain health and wellness, and I do all the osteopathic and massage therapy and movement therapy and a lot of different things for the kids to release a lot of emotions. Not only that, but also physically wise, is to release the body so the body can heal. And then we do all the nutrition and supplements, and we do neural feedback, and we do many different things to heal the brain and the body. And so everything on my journey, pretty much we have at the clinic. So everything that's helped me kind of conquer all of these issues in my life is that we have in the clinic, and we brought them back because it's helped me so much. And so that's kind of what we do at the clinic, is just, and we work on anyone. So anyone from autism to ADD, ADHD to anxiety, depression, PTSD, traumatic brain injury, anything like that, we're able to have really good results. And it's because a lot of all of us at the clinic has been through something. So we have a passion for that.